Alright, let's do a fast recap on APT. So this was a virus ticker that has been consolidating for a while. After seeing what Codex pulled off yesterday, I decided I would watch it because you never know where that virus sector momentum will go next, and I just felt like APT had a nice setup for that momentum to maybe go into. As you can see, nice triangle on the multi-week chart. See if it started to break to the upside actually a couple days ago, and it just couldn't quite get going. But I figured today might just be the day, right? So that's why it was on my watch list. The morning was a bit choppy. I wasn't too comfortable with it, but it did kind of make a clean setup, clean enough to play. And just based on the multi-week chart, I felt like it was a strong enough thesis to go for it. Took 500 shares at $13.69. Got the surge up, ended up selling it at $14.12 for a $200 play, which was nice. Kind of developed again. Just a higher low triangle setup right here. I like to develop quite a bit, so I jumped back in at $14.10. Little sloppy on my sell, but I sold it at $14.33. Locked up another $100 on that. You can see this thing really did develop nicely throughout the day. Higher lows. You could have scooped any of these dips and had a really solid risk-reward management plan. I didn't do that. I didn't really do too good of a job because I didn't get involved. I wasn't feeling it, for whatever reason. But once I saw it break out and test that new high of day, it dipped, kind of held the breakout, and then on the reversal, I jumped in at $14.48, expecting and anticipating the breakout, and I was right. It broke out, got a nice surge, and then my biggest mistake of the day was selling it at $14.77. I'm not sure what happened there. Sometimes I get into like these scalp mindsets where all I do is scalp and I don't think about the big picture. I don't think about the development of the play and where it's at. So this was just an enormous error, There's nothing I can really say to justify it. It was just bad, that's okay. Sometimes you're going to make bad choices in trading. I'm just lucky that this bad choice was a $300 winner and not a red trade, so I guess something to be grateful for. But okay, so that's a big error. We get another triangle formation. I decided to stop watching the ticker for a while because I was just too upset with myself for selling it where I did. But anyway, you can see, pretty clear entry here. 1540 leads to 1640, so that's just a massive play. I didn't take it, it's fine. Consolidates. I start to try to scalp it a bit in the afternoon. Just because, look, when I see something like Codex yesterday, I thought Codex was overextended, and then it ran another $3 or $4 a share before the market even closed. And then after hours, it ran to 30, right? So I wanted to get involved with APT because I didn't want that happening to me 2 days in a row. So, I just took the scalps. When the surges weren't very strong, I would just get out. I was just trying to find the sweet spot of like maybe I would get an explosive surge, and but I just wasn't really getting it. Again, it kind of forms and tests the 1650. It does break out, pulls back, holds, comes up. I kind of take it on the way back up at 1670, looking for a strong push over 17, and I just couldn't get it. So I got out at 1685. Yeah, so just a couple scalps down the day there. Overall, I made $2,500 pretty much on the day. So, great day from a profit perspective. I'm very grateful for, honestly, trading trading pretty poorly and still making very good money just because I'm getting very comfortable with scaling up. So again, my critique to myself is stop scalping so much and start taking some healthy trends, because you make most of the money on the trends, not just scalping. So I do need to get better at that. Yeah, so that's all I wanted to talk about. Just APT, the development, the potential plays you could have taken on it. I thought it was very nice, lots of volume, good scale, good development, pretty much all day. Just an absolutely great ticker today. Alright, thanks for watching the video. If you liked it, you can like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.